Would you rather travel to the past or to the future, and why?
Future.
Again,
I
yes.
want to go and travel to the future because I want to see what will our future be. You know?
Future with whom?
With me.
How about you, Babu?
I feel her. Oh my gosh. Wow.
What do you want? You want to travel to the past or to the
Because
future?
I'm so excited to know who is he or where I am to be.
How about you, Momshi?
Bus. Where di ba? I miss my childhood. Future.
Why?
I want to travel to the future.
I want to travel to the future also because you can never change the past. I don't want to cry again and be sad.
Let me guess. You will choose the past.
No. I want to bring my past with me to the future. If you could change one thing about your past, what would it be?
I don't want to take up nursing
Why?
because I want to be a
Millionaire.
Yeah, if I could only choose that, I don't like to be a nurse. Maybe 10 years ago, if I can change it, I will change it.
My career. At least makasama ko yung parents ko.
I don't want to change
Ay, sorry. I don't know if I want to change it, but I'm happy with it. But I'm also sad about it.
So let it be.
Let it be anyway.
Wisdom.
Yeah, let it be. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
Superpower to disappear. To be invisible.
Why?
With my invisible talk, like Harry Potter.
I like that too. I want to be an invisible because I want to visit someone.
I think I want to have a superpower of making money.
Wonder Woman.
Nothing.